Hello students, good afternoon. This is the chapter The Fighter. In the first video of this chapter, I had explained you about the final match between VHS and NPS team. Now there is a meeting between the player and here a long discussion is going between Imran and Rahul. Here, now let's see. Imran was the captain of the NPS team. He and the coach MS Reddy had called the team members to finalize the strategy for the next day's match. Student, you see here, NPS team's captain name was Imran. Now the captain and the coach MS Reddy both had called all the team members to final the strategy. Strategy means Rangniti for the next day's final match. Imran and Rahul were having an argument over who should open the innings. But all of a sudden, once again, the argument started between Imran and Rahul to take this matter that who will start the inning. Rahul wanted their regular opener Greg to go two down. And at that time, Rahul wanted to support Greg as a two down opener player. Imran, the VHS has the best pace attack in the city. Both Krishna and Manjeet are very quick and accurate. Then Rahul said that in the opposition team, the two bowlers Krishna and Manjeet are best pacer, and to face them, we requires best batsman. So Greg is our best batsman, and we can't take the risk of sending him to open the inning. And to face the best bowler, it requires best batsman. So they were not ready to take any risk to send any normal batsman to open the innings. God forbid if he gets out chief, then we are doomed. And at that time, they were also afraid that if there is God's curse or God didn't support to the fortune of the luck of Craig, definitely they will in problem. He gets out cheap means अगर वो सस्ते में कम रन पे आउट हो जाता है डेफिनेटली वी विल इन प्रॉब्लम राहुल सेड अप्रीहेंसिवली इन सारी बातों को राहुल ने काफ़ी डरे हुए भाव में कहा मीन्स एट दैट टाइम राहुल वाज समथिंग अपसेट टू टेक दिस मैटर दैट वी विल इन प्रॉब्लम इफ ही विल आउट cheaply. Come on, Rahul, Greg will make mention of those two clowns, Imran. Imran was firm. Then, firm means determined, resolved. Imran was determined that definitely there is no requirements to worry to all of us about the opening batsman because our player Rahul has a very nice experience and he will make them क्लोन्स क्लोन्स मीन्स होता है जोकर लेकिन यहाँ पे जोकर से तात्पर्य है कि इन लोगों का इतना विश्वास था फर्म डिटर्मिनेशन था कि जो बैट्समैन उनका राहुल है वो दोनों बॉलर्स को बिल्कुल बखिया उधेड़ के रख देगा उनके ऊपर अटैकिंग मोड में रहेगा ऐसा इमरान का विश्वास था I have decided Greg will open and that is final. Now come up with some better ideas on how to tackle the opposition. Finally, this matter was clear and they were confirmed. They decided that now Greg will be opener. It was final decision. Now they began to discuss once about the planning that is required for the opposition how they will attack against opposition team to win the final match I think my idea of sending Greg two down was great, insisted Rahul. But once again, after some time, Rahul insisted. Insisted means किसी बात को काफ़ी जोर देकर कहना, प्रेरित करना, प्रेस करके किसी बात को कहना. Once again, Rahul insisted that I'm not agree with you, and I think if we send Greg two downs, that was great. And I think still it was dumb Imran voiced. इमरान वाइज तभी इमरान क्या बोलता है आई स्टिल थिंक इट वॉज डम डम मीन्स स्पीचलेस वेयर अ पर्सन इज स्पीचलेस वेयर अ पर्सन हैज नो मैटर टू से अबाउट अ पर्टिकुलर पॉइंट इट इज कॉल्ड डम सो इमरान वाइज दैट इट वॉज डम seeing the tension in the air, Badal the wicket-keeper said. Meanwhile, the wicket-keeper named Badal started to interfere between the discussion of Rahul and Imran, and he turned the matter towards another statement saying that, what about the toss? In case we win, should we bat? Hello, should we bat or field? The wicket-keeper put a very nice question that we have to discuss. We have to make a discussion about the toss. In case when we win the toss, we will choose bat or field. I feel we should field. That was Imran. Once again, the captain said, we should field. Means हमें पहले fielding करना चाहिए. No, I don't think you are right, said Rahul. But here once again Rahul opposed him, saying that you are not right. You are not right. Rahul suggested, we are not very good at chasing. मीन्स हम लोग सेकेंड टाइम में मैच को चेज करने में हम लोग काफ़ी अच्छे नहीं हैं. आई फील वी शुड बैट फर्स्ट, ट्राई टू पुट अप अ गुड स्कोर एंड देन अटेम्प्ट टू बॉल देम आउट. और यहाँ पे राहुल ने अपना एक प्रपोजल रखा कि हमें पहले अच्छी बैटिंग करना चाहिए, एक अच्छी स्कोर करना चाहिए और फिर उसके बाद हम एक अच्छी बॉलिंग करके उनको आउट कर सकते हैं. दिस वॉज द सजेशन ऑफ राहुल एट दैट टाइम, एंड इन दिस स्टेटमेंट देयर was fully opposition statement for Imran. You are very defensive, Rahul, Imran said with a smirk. At that time, Imran was not satisfied. Smirk means unpleasant smile. With an unpleasant smile, Imran said, Rahul, you are very defensive. You are very defensive. If I win the toss, I will put them in. I love chasing. And then Imran finalized saying that if I will win the toss, अगर मैं टॉस को जीतूंगा तो I will put them in. मैं उनको बैटिंग के लिए ही बुलाऊंगा. मीन्स हम लोग फील्डिंग ही करेंगे. I love chasing. और इमरान फाइनली कहा I love chasing. But Rahul protested once again, opposed to someone. Once again Rahul protested. फिर से राहुल एक बार विरोध करते हुए बोला, no, but don't forget, Rahul, I am the captain and you are the 12th man. लेकिन इस बार this was sufficient for Rahul. Imran told Rahul in a very angry word, don't forget your position in the team. In this team, I am a captain and you are the 12th man. 12th man, your position stands for 12th number in the team. Remember it. Imran taunted him. Taunted means क्या होता है? मॉकिंग करना, किसी की हंसी उड़ाना, हंसते हुए उसका मजाक उड़ाते हुए इमरान ने कहा कि तुम मत भूलो कि मैं इस टीम का कैप्टन हूँ और इस तुम्हारा यहाँ पे जो पोजीशन है वो पोजीशन तुम्हारा 12वें नंबर का है। मीन्स स्टूडेंट, इन दिस पैसेज you see that there is a great discussion is going between two players, Rahul and Imran, and you also assure here that Rahul's points are also very defensive. Rahul points are very supportive, and in the sense of his commitment there are positive thinking. But on the another hand, you can see that Imran is full of overconfidence, and you know that to win a game, overconfidence is not good. If you have overconfidence regularly, definitely you can lose a match. Okay.